gives me much pleasure to be here. I of course acknowledge the presence of the CEO of FIRCA and the Peter Secretariat. Ladies and gentlemen, as Pacific Islanders, one of the things that we must realize, is that given the size of our economies and given the limitation of resources within our economies, it is critical for us to be able to collaborate with each other. We cannot do many things on our own. It is only through the collaboration, it is only through sharing of information, and indeed in this present day and age, the sharing of intelligence that is very, very important to ensure that we all comply with the various international standards, that we all keep abreast of international best practices, to be able to ensure that our people at the end of the day benefit from those systems and benefit from those levels of cooperation. Peter, of course, represents one of those. As we speak, we have many of our Pacific Island leaders down the road talking about, in the prelude to the Oceans Conference that will be held in June in New York. This coming together of all the Pacific leaders and the fact that Fiji also has the presidency of COP23 again demonstrates one of the many challenges, or some of the many challenges, that we all face as Pacific Island countries. Our environment is under threat, our resilience levels is also under threat, and indeed we need to build upon that resilience. And therefore it is critically important that all of us, both as individually as countries, but also as a region, are able to recognize our issues, are able to recognize the shortcomings, but again feed off each other to be able to have that level of cooperation. We were quite blessed, I suppose, for want of a better word, this week to also host the World Customs Organization workshop that was held, and with the Secretary General who is down here from Geneva. Again, that brought the wider region, not just Pacific Islanders, but those from the Asia-Pacific region. And this sharing of information, the level of cooperation, at the end of the day, is critically important. The Fijian government is very pleased to be able to provide the facilities here to Peter, because we recognize that regional cooperation, as I've said, is critically important. We also offer our further support in the years to come through FIRCA to provide whatever assistance is necessary to ensure that Peter actually does play its role significantly. I'm sure you don't want to listen to a long speech. You want to listen to the head of the organization to say a few words. But once again, in particular to all the delegates who are here from the other Pacific Island countries, welcome to Fiji, and we look forward to working together with you. Thank you.